Hi friends, it's Diana here today, and today I'm talking about an Ellie and Mac pattern that I've made over 10 times. All right, before I even tell you what that pattern is, I want you to comment below and let me know what your favorite, most sewn Ellie and Mac pattern is, and see if you can guess which one is going to be mine. I think everybody already knows this. This one is my favorite for so many reasons, and I've hacked it so many different ways, and I've made it like, I'm gonna show you some pictures of the ones I've made. And I think I collected like 17 different ways that I've made it on these pictures, and I haven't even taken pictures of every way that I've made. So I know there's way more than that. I'm gonna tell you, because I know you're wondering. It's the oversized tee. So of course I'm wearing the first oversized tee I ever made. This was just a t-shirt style with the regular crew neck with a French terry. This is the regular length. I feel like almost every time I've kind of wandered over to just a regular hem because I just like the way it hits on, and I love the sleeve. I don't know what there is about this pattern, the oversizedness of it, that just makes me so comfortable. Whenever I have a slump on my sewing and I don't know what to do, guess what I do? I pull out an oversized tee pattern and I make a new one because I can never have enough. And I'm gonna show you the different ways I've made them. And I also wanted to add to this that I haven't even made it every single way that it is on the pattern. There are so many options on the pattern, and I've made a lot of different options, but I haven't made every single option, because I have made the hood version, which I don't have a picture of right now. I did not take a picture of it, and I don't have it with me right now. But I have, there is a hood option. There is a hood with pockets. There's a drawstring option. There are so many options to this pattern that are not even included on the pictures that I'm showing you today. So let's get started. So I'm gonna walk you through memory lane of my oversized tees. And I also wanted to mention that Jessica created a file showing all the different hacks of the oversized tee, and you can find that and on our website, and you can find all the different video tutorials that go along with all of the different oversized tee hacks. So that's a really neat thing to have. All right, so I already showed you this simple French terry option. So cute, I love it. It's perfect for just walking, going around the day, doing whatever you want to do. Could be a t-shirt, you could dress it up a little bit, but it's just super fun. I also made it in a hatchy stripe. Also loved it. I was able to really match my stripes on this one, so I was super excited. It's a little bit warmer because it's that sweater kind of knit hatchy hatchy fabric, so it was great. But it is so pretty because just even changing the color of the stripes, it's the same shirt, but even changing the color of the stripes means I can wear it with a whole bunch of other different things. Then I made a long sleeve version with cuffs, and I thought this one was really cute. I love the long sleeve. It's just cozy. It's not too oversized. The cuffs fit just right. It's so super cute. Now, this one was one of my favorite ways to sew this up. I made the oversized tee in a woven into a dress. Now, not everybody loves oversized dresses. A lot of people like to bring their dresses in at their waist, which is great. I like oversized dresses and the way they just fit and just kind of go over the body. This dress was perfect for that. I thought it was adorable. It turned out so cute. Obsessed with it. Now I made another dress, and this was a color blocked dress. And I did do a full tutorial on this one. This one was a little bit more involved of a hack because I did go ahead and color block the top first, and then I had to figure out how to add width at the waist so I could gather it here at the where the color block section was. I saw a picture of a dress like this online and I wanted to recreate it, and I think it turned out so perfect. Only thing is, it was a little too short for me by the time that when I wear it normally, so I had to give it away. And I never really took a picture of it. I took videos of it, and I don't have a picture of it, which is kind of stinky. So the picture you see here is the screenshot of a video that I made. So it's not the greatest picture, but this was such a pretty pattern, and we do have a tutorial for that. A pretty hack. Another version that I really loved is the more long sleeve with the boat neck. This is with a waffle knit. And I think it's just super cute, and it's a little bit more dressy, so I can dress it up a little bit more to wear out with some classy jeans or something like that, and it is super cute. Now, another one of my very favorite ways to wear the oversized tee, and I have a few of these, is as PJs. This one was made with waffle, and I made the basic pants to go along with them, and I've made that set over and over again because it's just so easy to wear, and it is so cute, and it is super comfortable. Now, this is another one of my favorites. This is when I added a turtleneck to the oversized tee. I added the turtleneck from another pattern, and the hack is on our YouTube channel, and so it gives it that extra oomph for the shirt, but it's still oversized and cozy, and I made it in a this was a sweater knit. I can't remember exactly what sweater knit it was, but if I can remember, I'll add it in the comments. But yes, super cute. Here's another PJ. This is a rib knit fabric, also super comfy and super lightweight for sleeping. One of my favorites. Okay, here's another one that I wear all the time. I honestly wear this one way too many times. This is it's made out of French terry, baby French terry, so it's like very, very soft. Yeah, is it French terry, baby French terry? What is it? Is that what it's called? Yes, it's a very lightweight stretch French terry, and I added a ruffle to it, and I thought it was so cute. The only thing that you don't notice is the fact that I accidentally put the neckband on backwards, so I have a lot of times I wear it with the neckband in the front by mistake, but it's okay. Nobody can tell that, and it's adorable. I still wear it like maybe once a week in the springtime. Okay, this one is so fun. I love this dress made out of waffle. Oversized tee, I elongated it. You know, there's the option for a little bit longer. I added a ruffle at the bottom, and then on the sleeves, I made a kind of a cap sleeve, kind of a gathered sleeve. So it's kind of like a flutter sleeve, and then I put elastic to gather it in. It turned out super cute. I love how it turned out. So fun, so springy. Okay, then I obviously needed more of a t-shirt field, so I went ahead and hacked it one more time. This time I color blocked the center and I added a pocket. This is another one that I didn't really have a picture for. I don't know why, like I don't keep all these pictures, and I look back and I'm like, I have a video but not a picture. But anyway, I just loved how this one turned out. That pocket is so cute. And this one is just, I wear with tennis shoes all the time, running around town, super comfy. This is made with a cotton lycra. Now, one that I've made a million times is the split hem hack. I love the oversized tee as a sweater. And when I made it as a sweater with, this is an organic French terry, I decided that I wanted a split hem because I just thought those were so cute. So that's another hack that's on our channel, and I love how the split hem turned out. I made it a few different times in a few different fabrics, and it is so good. I love it. This is another color block option that I made. This one is, I went ahead and color blocked it at the bottom to create that that V point there at the side, and I color blocked the sleeves. And I like to go into the color blocking and kind of show you how easy it is to just grab your pattern and slash it up, add a seam allowance, put it back together and sew it, and it ends up looking like a total different pattern. And this one is so cute. It reminds me of like a watermelon ice cream or something like that. I love it. This one was really fun. I had this mesh and I wanted to create a top with it, but I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. So I went with the oversized tee, and I just made the oversized tee, left the sleeves raw, and I did the neckline, but I left the sleeves and the hem raw, and then I wore a cami underneath it. And I thought this was so cute. This would be a great way to do a swim slip. So like you could make that longer, and it would be great for going to over your bathing suit as you go swimming or whatever. I just love how this one turned out. Now, last but not least, I'm showing you this last one. This one was really, really fun to make. I ended up going to visit my family after a storm, and I was like, what do I do? I don't know what to do. And of course, I had my oversized tee pattern with me. No, I didn't have my oversized tee pattern with me. I was able to print my oversized tee pattern at my in-laws house. She has a sewing machine. I went to Joann and I grabbed myself some fabric, and I grabbed myself some letters because I saw those letters for sale And I made myself this oversized tee that it just means a lot to me now, because it was a time that was a little bit, didn't know what to do. We had just left from the storm, and my house, we didn't receive a lot of damage. You know, it wasn't too bad, but you know, I just, you know, there was no electricity. We didn't have power for a few days. So we went and stayed with our in-laws, and with my in-laws, and I kind of didn't know what to do or anything. And just having that pattern that I knew I could just, you know, make it really easy, really quickly, was so great, because it gave me something to do. It was something fun to do, and it was easy, and it was just comfortable. And I just love that this is one of those patterns that I have that is just, whenever I feel like I don't know what to do, I go back to the oversized tee, and it's kind of one of those things that I do without even thinking, and I just make it, and I hack it, and I do it different ways. And I don't know if you have one of those patterns. Comment below and let me know if there's a pattern that you're like, you know what, I'm just so comfortable with this pattern. I've made it so many times, and I feel like if ever there's a time that I'm like, I don't know what to make, this is the pattern that I go to. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this little walkthrough of all my oversized tees. Yes, I am a little bit obsessed. I love this pattern. There are so many other patterns by Ellie and Mac that I've made a million of as well, because I am one of those people that when I like something, I really like it, and I'm gonna make it a million times. Comment below and let me know which one is your pattern, and let me know which one was your favorite oversized tee of the ones I've made. You may have to go watch this video again and go pick which one is your favorite, and comment below and let me know. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Go grab your patterns, come back and sew them up with me, and I'll see you next time.